Aloha, ENB101. Welcome to week 5. Yay, you have made it to week 5. This is a good thing. So, thank you all again for being here. I really appreciate you. So, let me know what's going on. If you're having issues, I'm here to help, okay? So, don't be shy. Don't do it afterwards. Like, do it before or like just as soon as you can, because like when everything's over, it's like, wait, you were gone for a long time. And I'm like, what? So just keep me informed. All right. I am not unreasonable. I am here to make sure that you have the best opportunity to learn the materials and practice the skills. Yes, we are practicing skills in this class. So this week, deep breaths, you do not have a lab. That is good. Your lab is next week. Your second carbon lab is next week. So if you want to do a preview of that, go right ahead, take a look at it, take a look at what we're going to be doing. Of course, I'll be making a video for that one, but if you want to do a little bit of a preview, go right ahead, if you have time. Now, this week, of course, you've got your discussions. Make sure that you are doing your answers, plus at least a minimum of 300 words on your AI that you're copy-pasting, as well as your prompt, and then a solid review. Don't necessarily just start poking holes at it, because you may not know if there's I don't expect you to know. Like, oh, it got something wrong. Not necessarily. For the most part, these are fairly simple questions that it should get right. Now, of course, AI has been known to like say, why don't you glue your cheese on top of your pizza? Which, in case it says something silly like that, well then, you can correct it. But this is more the critical thinking, and label that section critical thinking, is more about you starting to say, hey, what about this? And this got me to think about something else. All right. So that is sort of where we're going with this critical thinking part. All right. I want you to start really using it as a springboard, okay, to start exploring more. And feel free to talk to your AI. Just say, hey, what about this? And then you can upload the new answer. Sort of have that discussion in there. Okay, so that's your discussions. Then you have your citizen science memo. This week we are working on methods. Okay, methods. Methods are, if you haven't quite guessed it yet, we are building through these memos your entire final report. Okay, so these memos, this final report that you're going to be doing for this class, this is a large chunk of it, like 60-70% of this report is being written by you right now. So take advantage of this. Don't just slack off and go, yeah, just go use the Globe app. He won't remember, like again, for an annotated bibliography. Don't use the Globe app as one of your sources, okay? That's a one freebie, that's a one-off. Take a deep look at other sources. All right, you should start practicing using the library. .gov sites hopefully are still okay, and .org sites. .edus are also really solid. Be careful of the .com sites. Those are commercial ones, though. They have a lens. They've got a distinct lens, i.e. they want to make money. So be very careful on that, okay? Your methods. In general, the methods section for reports, for scientific reports, is the idea behind it is, if I follow your instructions, I'm going to get your answer or something very, very similar to it. Okay, that is the point of methods. So you write it like a recipe for cooking, preferably baking, because recipes like for cooking, my cooking, it's okay, like a pinch of this, a dash of that. Yeah, no, be exact. Okay, in the methods, start looking at how researchers are researching your topic. Like, how do scientists collect data about birds? Here's a hint. What are mist nets? Something really cool that I got to play with a long time ago. Well, actually, it wasn't that long ago, but it was a lot of fun. Up on mountains on a couple islands down that way. Anyways, that was a lot of fun. So that's one methodology. There's other methodologies. So start looking at methods. You necessarily will not be following those methods because you're already doing your own methodology. Okay? Do not change your methodology right now. Like, not seriously. If you do, keep track of it. Same for clouds. Think about satellites. How was cloud data collected before we had eyes in the sky? You tell me. Go find that out. Do sort of a historical aspect. Same with the birds. Do a historical aspect. How do we collect data about birds? Okay. Again, think of how scientists were finding out information about your topic. That is the point of these memos in the methodology. Okay, and it's getting you to get practiced in writing your own methodology section, which is, again, telling me the step-by-step process to get your data. Your memos must still include a science selfie going, yeah, it's a bird, or it's a cloud. Okay, wait, there's a cloud up there, and that would be an egret. I think it's an egret. It's a bird anyways, so hey, I got a 2-for-1. Don't forget the science selfies. Don't forget to take pictures of what you're actually researching. I also need to see that Excel file, okay, as a screenshot, because I want to make sure that you're all on track with making your future selves' lives easier. So do not forget those. Those are worth points. All right? And annotated bibliography. I need 2 citations. Annotated bibliography. So citation, 2 to 3 sentence write-up. Citation, 2 to 3 sentence write-up. Okay? That's it for this week. Thank you again for being here. Please keep me informed. All right? Cheers.